So today I'm going to be focusing on this left side skirt, or whatever you want to call it. It's super wavy and needs some attention, I think. So my car used to be very round before I started working on all the lines. So I'll do my best to get this piece perfectly straight. You can kind of see what it looks like now, so we're going to fix that.
So what I'm doing is I'm just starting with this flat surface. And I think it actually slopes up a little bit. So I need to sand this edge down just so it stays more flat. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now that I've kind of sanded it, I kind of want to look down the side just to see what I need to actually sand off. So just on this side right here, so it looks like this bump right here needs to come off. The edge has to come off. You can kind of see what needs to be filled in too. So now what we're gonna do, so I want this edge as straight as I can get it, flat and straight. So I'm gonna put this up next to it. And you can tell kind of where it needs to be filled in. So I'll give you a better look. All right. So here, you can kind of tell that there's a gap right there. And then there's pretty much all along here. This is where it actually closes up nicely. Then the gap continues right here. So we can kind of see that here's where this gap starts. It goes, and then it ends about right here. But right now I'll kind of mark where the gap is so I know where to fill in. But you see here, right about here, I can't actually sand that down because this is where the tape ends, and so there's nothing left to sand down. So I'm gonna sand it a little bit and then we'll fill in these gaps. I think that's it, just right there. So I'll kind of show you guys. So as you can kind of see, there's a little crack right there. You can see the floor. You go down, it's still just kind of wavy all the way down. And then we get to the final mark right there. And so that's all we have to fill in. Let's get to it. So now you can kind of see what I've done. So I put this piece of wood up, I pushed it as close as I could towards my car, and then I filled in all the gaps there were, all the way down it. And so then when I pull it off, it will be nice and flat. So while this dries, I'm gonna actually work on the hood. It looks pretty smooth, but when you actually take it out in the sun and see the kind of the glare on the front, it shows a lot of little divots. So we're gonna work on the front. I got this cool tool It's actually supposed to be a sander, but I forgot to order the sandpaper for it that actually sticks onto it. We're gonna try using this for drywall, and if it doesn't work, we'll just wait for the sandpaper and use something else, but that's what we're gonna be working on next. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna sand off just these little tiny edges. From the last time I applied drywall onto here. I think this is actually a pretty cool tool. I only got it for about 15 bucks on Amazon. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll leave it in the link below. All right, so now I'm just gonna heat this up, get it going a little bit so we can take this off sooner. So I did take the wood piece off, and it actually looks pretty good. It's actually pretty smooth compared to what it used to look like. It's actually really straight. It was just a little bit wet. I took the piece off and then I kind of spread this part out right here. This is just a little bit more wet, but it actually looks pretty good. Next, I'll be putting it back up to the side of this. Then I'll fill in this big gap right here. And then we'll work on just filling in these kind of holes and fixing the angle of this and just more sanding. And then we'll probably be close to done. So this actually turned out pretty cool. It's actually really straight. You can kind of see just on this edge right here. I'll kind of zoom in so you guys can see. It's like super straight. That board made it really nice. So that's what I'll be doing to the other side, and hopefully figure some other things out for the rest of the car. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. I will be making a part 2 and we'll be finishing this piece up.